Hello, this is A. Shantakumari, School Assistant, Physical Science, ZPHS Kamperli, my birth district. Children, today we are going to learn about the quantum numbers in physics chapter of class 10th. These quantum numbers indicate the probability of finding the electron in the space around the nucleus. The first quantum number is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number is related to the size and energy of the main shell. It is denoted by N and it has positive values. Children, observe the following table. For each N value, there is one main shell. So if we put N equal to 1, then that shell is called as the K shell. And if N equal to 2, it will be L and so on. So the principal quantum number is related to the size and energy of the main shell. And the next quantum number is the angular momentum quantum number. The angular momentum quantum number is related to the shape of a particular subshell in the space around the nucleus. Observe the following table. The name of the subshell will be S, P, D, F. So the relation between N and L is as follows. N is the principal quantum number and L is the angular momentum quantum number. See children, L equal to N minus 1. If we put N equal to 1, and then L will be 0. So here there is one subshell. See in the figure also. N equal to 1. So L value will be 0. There will be only one orbital, one S subshell. That is called 1s subshell. And if we put N equal to 2, the L value will be 1. So see in the figure, L equal to 0 and L equal to 1, there will be two subshells in the N second main shell. So if we put N equal to 3, there will be three subshells. See in the figure also, L equal to 0, L equal to 1 and L equal to 2. So the subshells will be increasing by the main shell. If we put N equal to 4, the L value will be 3. So the four subshells will be present in the fourth main shell. So see in the diagram also, L equal to 0, L equal to 1 and L equal to 3, 2, L equal to 4. So there are four subshells in the fourth main shell. This angular momentum quantum number is related to the shape of a particular subshell. So the third quantum number will be the magnetic quantum number. The magnetic quantum number is denoted by ML and it gives an idea of number of orbitals in the subshell. So the relation between magnetic quantum number ML and the angular momentum quantum number L is as follows. ML equal to 2L plus 1. If we put L equal to 0, then there will be one orbital. And if we put L equal to 1, the ML value will be 3. See the figure also. If we put L equal to 0, the orbital will be called as the S orbital. If we put L equal to 1, then the ML value will be 3 orbitals. So P orbitals will be in the P subshell, there is 3 P orbitals, Px, Py and Pz. And the magnetic values will be -1, 0, +1. If we put L equal to 0, the ML value will be 5. So here there are 5 orbitals and the ML values will be -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. If we put L equal to 3, then the magnetic value will be 7. So 7 orbitals. The magnetic values are as follows: -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. This magnetic quantum number indicates the number of orbitals in the subshells. See the following tables. L equal to 0, the subshell will be called as S and the number of orbitals will be 1. And as follows. The maximum number of electrons that can occupy various subshells is given in the following table. If we take number of orbital, if we take L equal to 0, that is means S orbital, number of orbital will be 1 and maximum number of electrons will be filled in this orbital is 2. If we take subshell P, that is L equal to 1, the number of orbitals will be 3, then the maximum number of electrons will be 3 to the 6, like this, and so on. So the main quantum number, main principal quantum number, that is principal quantum number, and the angular momentum quantum number L, and the magnetic quantum number describes about the shells, subshells, and the maximum number of electrons and as well as the orbitals. And the another quantum number is introduced to perfect position of the electron, that is spin quantum number. It is denoted by ms and it represents the property of the electron, the position of the electron. It refers to the two possible orientations of the spin of electron. One is clockwise and the other is in anti-clockwise. They are represented by plus of and minus of. The shorthand notation of N is, that is principal quantum number, and L the angular momentum quantum number, and the number of electrons X in the subshell is written as a superscript as shown below, NLX. So for hydrogen atom, there is only one electron in hydrogen atom. This electron will be filled in the first shell, that is N equal to 1, and first orbital, that is S, that is indicates 1s orbital. So the electronic configuration we can write as 1s1. This 1s1 electron configuration will be related to hydrogen, and the set of 4 quantum numbers is N equal to 1, that's first shell, and L equal to 0, that is s orbital, and ml equal to 0. So only one orbital is there, so ml is value will be 0, and ms is equal to plus half, that is notation of clockwise. So these 4 quantum numbers gives an idea to the exact position will be rotated to the nucleus. These quantum numbers indicate the differentiating electron or the last electron of an atom in the hydrogen atom. So in the hydrogen atom, there is one electron only and it will be the last electron. So now observe the following table, then we get the whole idea of the quantum numbers. See children, here n equal to 1, the L value will be 0 and ml value will be 0. There is only one s orbital and the number of orbitals in the subshell will be 1. And if we take n equal to 2, the value of L equal to 0 and 1. So ml value will be 0 and minus 1, 0 plus 1. If we take the s orbital, the ml value will be 0 and 2p orbital, then 2p subshell, that is minus 1, 0 plus 1. There will be in the p subshell, there will be 3 orbitals. And if we take n value will be 3, then the value of L equal to 0, 1, 2. So this indicates the subshells of the subshells 3s, 3p, 3d, and the ml value will be as follows. If we take s orbital, the value will be 0. If we take the 3p orbital, it will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. In the d orbital, it will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, and plus 2. So these values will be indicated in the 5 orbitals. So we have already seen in the figure, there are the different orbitals, different types of orbitals. So these quantum numbers gives very good information about the filling of the electrons will be also tell us. So children, see all the tables here. So this is principal quantum number table, and this is angular momentum quantum number table, and this indicates the number of orbitals, and this table indicates the maximum number of electrons. And this table indicates all the three quantum numbers, that is principal quantum number and angular momentum quantum number and the magnetic quantum number. So all stay home, stay safe. Thank you.